Looking for the best graphics card for your PC in 2025? From budget-friendly basics to absolute powerhouses, we've ranked them all so you don't have to. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Glorto GT730, a graphics card that's been around the block and is best suited for very specific needs. It's not built for gaming, but if you just need a way to run multiple monitors or power an old-school media PC, it gets the job done without breaking a sweat, or the bank. With its compact low-profile design and minimal power needs, this card is perfect for small form factor PCs. It's whisper quiet and doesn't even need extra power cables, which makes it a breeze to install. If you're doing basic office work, watching YouTube, or handling light graphics tasks, it's more than enough. But let's be honest, this card is way past its prime for modern gaming. With just 2 gigs of memory and a narrow 64-bit interface, it'll choke on newer titles and doesn't support any of the cool stuff like ray tracing or upscaling. Compared to anything else on this list, it's in a different league, a much slower one. This one is really for folks running older PCs or those who just want a simple display adapter without high performance. Not a bad choice for ultralight users, but if you want to game, look elsewhere. By the way, you'll find links to all the cards from today's video at the best prices down below in the description. Coming in at number 4 is the HyperRender RX 580. It might sound flashy, but this card is really a repackaged classic, and it shows. Still, for folks on a tight budget who want to game at 1080p, it's surprisingly capable, especially for older or less demanding titles. With 8 gigs of VRAM and a full 256-bit memory interface, this card can hold its own in games like Fortnite, GTA 5, or even Cyberpunk, if you dial the settings way down. It's a better choice than the GT730 by miles and actually gives you a decent gaming experience if you're okay with medium settings and no ray tracing. But here's the catch, it's running on an older architecture with higher power draw and no support for modern features like DLSS or hardware ray tracing. Compared to newer cards, it's less efficient, louder, and hotter, and let's face it, it's showing its age. If you're building a super budget PC and want something that works right now without spending a ton, the RX 580 still delivers solid bang for your buck. Like this video so far? Then give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more honest tech rankings. At number 3, we've got the RTX 5060 from GIGABYTE. This is where things really start to heat up, in a good way. It's compact, efficient, and packed with new-gen features that take mainstream gaming to the next level. This card is great for 1080p, and even handles 1440p pretty well with DLSS 4 support. The GDDR7 memory makes it snappy, while the compact design means it fits into most builds. The WINDFORCE cooling system keeps things cool and quiet even under load, which is a big plus if you're not into noisy PCs. But it's not perfect. The 128-bit memory interface can be a bottleneck in some situations, and 8 gigs of VRAM may limit you in future AAA titles, especially at higher resolutions. It's a middle-of-the-pack option, great for now, but not the most future-proof. If you want reliable performance for modern games without going all out, the RTX 5060 is a smart choice. It gives you real next-gen gaming for a lot less money than the high-end monsters. Sliding into second place, the RTX 5070 EPIC X is a serious step up for gamers who want high performance without going full enthusiast. This card delivers smooth gameplay at 1440p and handles 4K in many titles, especially with DLSS enabled. With 12 gigs of VRAM and a 192-bit memory interface, it's built to handle modern game engines with ease. The triple fan setup keeps temps low, even during intense gaming sessions. And with PCIe 5 and NVIDIA's latest features like DLSS 4, you're getting a lot of performance headroom. Still, it's not perfect. The power draw is higher than some might like, and that 16-pin connector can be tricky in older builds. Also, while performance is excellent, the price tag edges into premium territory, which may not suit everyone. But for gamers who want smooth, high-res gaming, great cooling, and next-gen support, the 5070 EPIC X strikes a perfect balance. It's a premium pick that doesn't go overboard. And finally, sitting at the top of the list, the absolute beast, the RTX 5080 EPIC X. This thing is built for power-hungry gamers and creators who want nothing but the best. With 16 gigs of next-gen GDDR7, a Y256-bit bus, and factory overclocking, this card chews through 4K gaming like it's nothing. Whether it's ray tracing, DLSS, or high frame rates, the 5080 delivers, and it stays cool doing it thanks to that massive triple fan cooling system. But all that power comes at a price, literally. It's big, it's power-hungry, and it's expensive. You'll need a beefy power supply and a roomy case to house this beast properly. If you're building a high-end rig and want top-tier performance across the board, this is the card to beat. It's future-proof, it's powerful, and it doesn't mess around. If you want the best card for your needs and budget, check the links in the description. They'll take you to the best prices for each product. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world PC gear reviews.